Welcome back to Life Tips. Today we're diving into one of the most satisfying self-sufficiency projects, making your own soap from scratch. It's easier than you think, and perfect for anyone wanting to avoid harsh chemicals and create all-natural soap at home. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's gather everything we need. For this recipe, we'll use olive oil, coconut oil, distilled water, and lye. You'll also need a digital scale to measure everything accurately, a mixing bowl, a thermometer, and some safety gear like gloves and goggles to protect yourself when handling the lye. Now, a quick safety reminder: lye is a strong chemical and should be handled with care. Always wear gloves and goggles and work in a well-ventilated area. Never add water to lye. Instead, slowly add the lye to water to avoid dangerous reactions. Let's start by making our lye solution. Slowly add the lye to your distilled water, stirring gently until it's fully dissolved. Be sure to use a heat-resistant container, as the chemical reaction will cause the mixture to heat up. Set it aside and let it cool down to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. While your lye solution cools, it's time to prepare the oils. Measure out your olive oil and coconut oil using the digital scale, and gently heat them in a saucepan over low heat until fully melted. Let the oils cool down to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit as well. Once your lye and oils are both at the right temperature, it's time to combine them. Slowly pour the lye solution into the oils and blend using a stick blender. Keep blending until you reach trace, which is when the mixture thickens to the consistency of pudding. Now it's time to add your essential oils for fragrance. Lavender, peppermint, or lemon are great choices for a refreshing scent. Once everything is mixed in, carefully pour the soap into silicone molds and smooth the tops with a spatula. Once your soap is in the molds, it's time for the curing process. Let the soap sit in a cool, dry place for 24 to 48 hours to harden. After that, you can unmold the soap and cut it into bars, but you'll need to let it cure for 4 to 6 weeks to fully develop and become gentle on the skin. And there you have it, your very own homemade soap. Not only is it a fun and rewarding project, but it's also a great way to eliminate synthetic chemicals from your daily routine. If you're ready to start making your own natural products, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what scent you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy homesteading.